It wasn't built to handle corners. It was built to terrify everything in a straight line. This is the Dodge Challenger Hellcat SRT. In 2015, Dodge lost its mind. They dropped a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 into a two-door muscle car and called it the Hellcat. 707 horsepower, manual or automatic, rear-wheel drive. It could roast the tires in 3 gears without even trying. The story? People didn't believe it was real. A car that looked like an old-school bruiser, but outran Ferraris in a straight line. Dodge even made commercials warning, "This car is not for amateurs." It was loud, unhinged, and totally unapologetic. The Hellcat didn't try to be balanced. It just wanted to scare you and win drag races doing it.